Hello, welcome in our geography session for standard 12th by Deshmukh madam. We discuss about chapter 4th and last point of this chapter, that is a primary economic activities for this video. Agriculture is one of the important primary economic activity in the world. Maximum population in the present world is directly or indirectly associated with the agricultural activities. Agriculture is also play an important role to fulfill the basic need of people such as food, clothing, shelter, and variety of raw material is also agriculture provide to the industries. So the agriculture is we also say the agriculture means a tilling of a soil on a large scale. Agricultural products are very important to fulfill our basic need. We also use fruits, vegetables, flowers, as well as meat, fish, milk. Such are important products related with the agriculture and agricultural occupations. The other occupations are also related with the agriculture. For example, animal husbandry. It is also related with the agriculture. So this agricultural production is very important to fulfill our daily needs. There are in our syllabus there are the 6 types of agriculture for important for our board syllabus. First agriculture type, that is a shifting agriculture. Second, horticulture, market gardening, intensive subsistence, plantation, and extensive commercial. Almost there are two types of agriculture is there. First type is depend on the land area which is occupied by agriculture practice, that is the extensive agriculture and intensive agriculture. Among this type of agriculture, this is a extensive commercial grain farming is also practiced on a large scale. Plantation have also large area. Only horticulture is also practiced with a large as well as medium type of land area. But intensive subsistence agriculture, shifting agriculture, and market gardening, these three agricultures are depend on a small land holdings only. Now there are second types of agriculture, that is a commercial and subsistence. The agriculture which is only fulfill the basic need of farmer and his family, such agriculture is known as subsistence agriculture. And commercial agriculture, the farmer sell out that production in the world market and get a maximum benefit from that production is known as a extensive commercial farming. So there is some commercial farming and in subsistence farming. In our syllabus, shifting agriculture is totally based on a subsistence farming. Then intensive subsistence, here is a name is mentioned subsistence. So this is also totally subsistence type of agriculture. So shifting and intensive subsistence, these two types are totally intensive types, subsistence type of agriculture. But horticulture, market gardening, plantation, and extensive commercial, these four types of agriculture are commercial type of agriculture. Now in this video we discuss a shifting agriculture and horticulture agriculture. First, shifting agriculture. This agriculture type we can observe in a mountainous region or hilly area where the tribal peoples are mostly practice this type of agriculture in a hilly region. First of all, they select a small patch of land for the cultivation. That patch is totally under the forest area, and then after they burn that bushes and that trees on within that area and use that ash as a fertilizer. And that ash is as they use as a fertilizer. They mix that ash within a soil, and before a little rainy season, after the cultivation of that soil, they sown the seed and they also use that area for a farming. Only one crop they can use that area for only a single crop within a year. After 4 or 5 years, they are also left that patch and select another patch, and again same practice is there for the agriculture. After 12 or 10 or 13 years, they return to their first patch and use that patch for agriculture, because due to the rest of period, that 10 or 11 years, that land can retain its fertility, and that's why they use that their previous patch which they left before 10 or 12 years. So this is a type of shifting agriculture. Now there are some important characteristics of shifting agriculture. First, forest land is burned and used for agriculture. This is the first important characteristic. Then very small size of farm is there. Production is very less because the totally absence of use of fertilizers and seeds are there. That's why the production is very less, as well as they use only primitive tools like hoes, then stone and sticks they use for tilling and cultivation. Then production can be taken for only 2 or 3 years. They, due to the when the fertility is reduced of that soil, at that time they should leave that patch, and that's why this farming is also known as a migratory agriculture and shifting agriculture, because they shift that area, they shift from one farm to another farm. Land left fallow and move ahead looking for another land. That land is also because of when they left that land area, at that time that land is totally fallow. They are not used for agriculture for 10 to 12 years. And they are again select another patch and another land. Forest resource decline and soil erosion take place. Due to this type of agriculture, this agriculture is also known as a harmful agriculture because it is affect on the forest resource. The forests are declined due to this type of farming. The soil erosions are occurs in that area. Due to the lack of that forest cover, the soil erosion is also took place, as well as the lack of manure is there. That's why the soil degradation is also there. So this farming is harmful because of soil erosion, soil degradation, and third, the forest cover is also decline. Mainly this farming, the area of this farming, we can observe this farming is practiced in tropical region of Asia, Southeast Asia, South and Central America and Africa. The central part of Africa, South and Central part of America, as well as East Asia, Southeast Asia and Asian countries where there is a heavy rainfall and hilly region, such area is important for such type of farming or shifting agriculture. Okay, in this way shifting agriculture is one of the harmful method of agriculture. It is also known as migratory agriculture. It is a practice in less developed country. Almost tribal people population is high within that mountainous region. That mountainous region is also we can observe this type of farming in Asia, South and Central America and Africa. Now second type of farming, that is the horticulture. Horticulture is a farming which produce the fruits and flower as well as medicinal plants and ornamental plants. These are the important production of horticulture. This type of farming is practiced with the sole motive of income and high profit. That's why this is a subtypes of commercial farming. Almost the farmer use his total intention capital in a small land holdings. He use techniques, develop technology, advanced technology, the water facilities. There are also irrigation facilities are also utilized by farmer like a drip, rain gun, sprinklers for this type of farming. And also there is the maintenance is also very good, and this farming is developed almost in developed country where there is a high population density as well as demand for flowers and fruits. Medicinal plants are there, ornamental plants are there. So this farming is a practice near a highly developed industrial regions in the world or urban centers. Use of manual labor and machinization is also there. In this farming, the manual labor is also important because land holdings are small. And second, machinery is also utilized for this farming because the production of that flowers and fruits are medicinal plants, ornamental plants, and to take their care for that's why the machines and manual labor both are important and necessary. Practice this type of farming is practice in a in a small land holdings. Manual power is there, labor is there, machines are also utilized for this type of farming. Technology is also developed, skilled labor is also necessary, and this the daily demand for their fruits, flowers and fruit, flowers and medicinal plants are there. That's and this farming is a practice in a tropical, Mediterranean and temperate region where the climate is supportive for a variety of flowers and fruits. Almost Mediterranean Sea region is important for the horticulture purpose. Citrus types of fruits production is there. Also the Canada, the east part of Canada is also important for this horticultural production also. Now next type, that is the market gardening is there. In next video we discuss this market gardening. Okay, thank you.